Working on my diesel heater. I've only had it run in a couple weeks, and the air intake for that blows over the aluminum heater is dirty, so I cleaned it once and I'm just going to clean it again. I've got a cabin filter out of my Honda Civic. I bought extras on Rock Auto. I'm going to mount it right there and either tape it on or something, but then I'll have an air filter, because this blows right over the combustion chamber and I don't want that dirt plugging it up. So this is just an experiment on my diesel heater to see if it'll work. And it's inside this box, so it's not exposed to dirt outside, but it's just moving a lot of air. That's what I'm gonna do right here. I might get a piece of tape or something. But that's how I'm working on my diesel heater. Keep the dirt off the combustion chamber, and then I'll see how dirty it gets. I think I'm just gonna tape it on, maybe a bungee cord. But I want to keep that aluminum heat exchanger clean.